Hi, how are you? I'm good. How about you? What's your name? My name is John. Where do you sit in class? I sit near the window. Did you do your homework? Yes, I finished it last night. What's your favorite subject? I love English. Can I borrow your eraser? Sure, here you go. What time is our English class? It's at 10 o'clock. Are you ready for the test? Yes, I studied a lot. What did you bring for lunch? I have a sandwich and juice. Do you like science experiments? Yes, they're so fun. Can we sit together at lunch? Of course. Do you want to play soccer after school? Yes, that sounds great. What book are you reading? I'm reading Harry Potter. Can I see your notebook? Sure, but please return it. Do you like art class? Yes, I love drawing. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Did you bring your water bottle? Yes, I always carry it. Are you excited for the school trip? Yes, it will be fun. Where is the library? It's on the second floor. Did you bring your sports shoes? No, I forgot them. What is your favorite game? I love basketball. Do we have homework today? Yes, we have a math worksheet. Where is your lunchbox? It's in my bag. Can you help me with this question? Sure, let me explain. Are you coming to the school fair? Yes, it will be so much fun. What time does school end? At p.m. What's your favorite animal? I love dogs. Do you want to sit together in class? Yes, that would be great. Did you understand today's lesson? A little bit. I need to study more. Can I use your color pencils? Sure, take them. What's the next class? It's science. Did you see my pencil case? Yes, it's on your desk. Are you bringing your umbrella? Yes, it might rain. What time is lunch break? At 12:30 p.m. Can I sit here? Yes, of course. Where is your best friend? He is in the library. Did you bring a snack? Yes, I have some cookies. Are you ready for the spelling test? Yes, I practiced a lot.